The reason form and technique is so important with jump rope is because every movement of your hands affects the jump rope. And let me show you what I mean. So if you're standing here just with the rope just touching the ground, kind of in your normal form, if I move my hands to the right, it moves the bottom out point of the rope to the right. Likewise, same thing to the left. Things also change if you just move one hand. So if I move one hand out to the side, it moves the loop of the rope to the right. If I move my left arm out to the side, it moves it to the left. Same thing with up on either side. And if you move both hands out to the side, it shortens your rope. So all these things are gonna play an impact if you're jumping, and as you fatigue, your form starts to break down, your technique, and your hands start to drift in some direction. That's when the trip ups occur. So you want to be able to maintain that same consistent form as much as you can while you're jumping, and that's going to keep the trip ups to a minimum. What can help you dial in your form and technique and keeping your hands more consistently in the same place is one, focusing on where your hand's at in your jump rope form. So if you need to look down, not with your head, but just with your eyes a little bit, and try to identify where your hands are just off the frontal plane of your body, maintaining that same spot while you're jumping. So if you can just barely see your hands, making sure that they're staying in the same spot with that peripheral vision, that's gonna help you out. The other thing is jumping in front of a mirror or using a camera to record yourself. So when you start tripping up, start looking back at the video and identifying what's breaking down that's causing the trip up. These things are gonna really help you out. And slow motion is huge because sometimes it's a very small change in your hand placement that's causing the trip ups. So if you can slow it down, you'll be able to identify those things. Try them out, let me know how it goes.